So it's been a long time since I've posted a video, but the big Dodge is gone. Now we got we've got Rosy right here, the red one, and we got Monster back there, the burgundy one, deep red. That's gonna get painted. We also got the 5B sitting up here that I just purchased. That I'm not sure if it's got compression or not. But we got here a Royal carpet cleaner and a new set of seats here. Well, not new, but a used set of seats for Rosy out of my parts truck. And we are going to give these a quick wash. So I have never used this carpet cleaner before. I'm just borrowing it. Oh shit. Now there we go. There. So, and I was pretty much left with no instructions because even the person that has it, well, it's brand new to them. So, cool. I'll just steal the power from our welding table. There we go. The cord off the back of the Royal carpet cleaner. I do not know what model this is, but it is brand new like last year or something. Or the year before, and there's just been you haven't had to use it yet. So we got the little wash wand here, plugs into this guy here, it goes in and it twists, and then this guy plugs into there. I hope I'm going to be able to get that back out of there. I don't know, we'll find out. Yeah, then you got your water here and your solution there, and you fill your water up with hot water. Now just how to figure out how to turn it on. How do I turn it on? There's the on button. Sweet. Now I was instructed to put it on the rinse, like so, and just run that through first. So there's a little button on the bottom here that you press. That way you can, that's how it squirts out. So there we go, we're all washed up. I mean, it is a bit, ooh, that was real damp. I might take the wand over that a bit more. But all washed up, got the sides of the seats, got the backs a bit. It's all nice and squeaky clean. Oh shoot, got the stereo a bit. That's fine. It's also got paint and primer and probably some clear coat on it. This is the Monster Rambler. I've had it for 3 or 4 years. Works great. I don't think they make those anymore. Yeah. So if you're wanting to, these are out of a '97 Dodge. I mean, any second gen Dodge front seats will be like this. I've got some 2-ton? Yeah, some 2-ton jack stands underneath the back, and it sits pretty much perfectly. I was gonna use blocks of wood, but by the time I had it sitting up, kind of staring at it, I'm like, well, jack stands should work. So it's been sitting here on jack stands for a bit. I did vacuum this off before I ran this machine across it, but it wasn't. They weren't too dirty. I just wanted to get some of the mouse shit off. I mean, there's another piece of, probably a piece of mouse shit. But yeah, so I'll do a little bit more, and we'll grab a piece of cardboard to put underneath the machine, and we'll get up and we'll go do the truck. Well, I guess that's as dry as that's getting. Now, this had hot, clean water in it when we started. Does that look clean? That don't look too clean to me. So, pretty glad that came out of here. There is soap there, but who knows? Maybe we'll take another round and use some soap up, but it looks pretty good. It got most of the stains out. I mean, there wasn't much in these seats. It's outside in the truck. Where are we aiming here? It's outside in the truck that we're really looking at. That's really stained up. So, let's get this out there Let's get some new water in it, then get it out there, then we can get to work. There we go. So we are reloaded. Fresh batch of water. Yes, this truck was originally this gray. My hand's up there. This gray. I painted it trim-clad regal red. This whole truck has been done with rattle cans. Yeah, 11 or 12 paint cans. So, yeah, that wasn't a lot of fun, but here is the before. I mean, you can see the passenger side is a lot cleaner. Wow, that's echoey in here. And we've got upgraded this truck to the power to a Laramie trim, which is kind of what the seats are doing, but I haven't had time to fix the wiring properly, so it's kind of all really poorly done. Because this is the connection for my windows. That runs power. I mean, it all runs under there through here, and that's my massive wiring. I've got kickers in both doors. That door, that's factory door. I've got the new one painted up, sitting in the shop. There's the other factory door. The bottoms of them were rusted out, so I swapped them out. Yeah, I'm gonna get washing here now, and we'll see you in a few minutes now that you've had a good look at how nasty this is beforehand. This is pretty satisfying, so we are going to do a comparison between this wash head and a different one, but you can just see that dirt come right on out. I mean, look at the color of that water going through there. And look at that, squeaky clean. Well, cleaner. Now that looks a lot better so far. Did a little bit on the other side there, but not a whole lot. You can see it's a bit wet over there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna hit this again here. You can still see it's pretty stained up from having, you know, all the feet over here for all 471 kilometers on this thing. So, yeah. I've got the spare seats in the back. They're pretty ripped up, but I've got some people interested in them. I've got them posted up on the Kijijis, or the Craigslist for all you Americans. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on pounding out at this, and I'll catch up with you guys when I got her clean, or cleaner. So there's not quite another tank of water yet. I mean, it's pretty much to a point where it's not getting any cleaner. Underneath the brake pedal it's pretty clean, but it was clean before. The gas pedal's hard to get underneath, and I don't really want to just start taking that apart, because that's the whole dash that's got to come out, and that sounds like way too much work for cleaning some carpet. I mean, your foot always sits here when you drive, so that took a fair bit to get clean. There's still a lot more here to clean up. These rust spots, that's still wet there. I haven't cleaned that yet. So it looks like today I'm just going to get the driver's side done. And tomorrow I will, well, I'll move the truck, and maybe I'll just spin it right around, and I'll do the other side. Because this is taking a lot longer than I expected it to. I'm sure this video is going to be a lot longer than I expected it to be. But I mean, tomorrow I probably won't record it, just because it's all pretty much the same. So I'm just going to close out here. I mean, I already dumped this pail again once. You can see there's crud sitting in there. So I'll close it out there. Give us a subscribe over here at Killer Automotive. A like. That'd be great. Drop a comment down below. Share it with friends. I mean, I do lots of other fun stuff. Check out the Instagram at Killer. Is that one Killer Automotive? I don't know if that one's Killer Automotive yet. Well, I'll be making it Killer Automotive today. So yeah, check out the Instagram at Killer Automotive. Yeah. Hit me up with what you need. I do lots of fabricating. I fabricated up the back bumper. I did the rust repair. We're not talking about that. That tire's getting low because it's been sitting for a while. That rust repair isn't done yet. And I built this whole bumper, which needs to be repainted a lot nicer than with like 1.5 rattle cans. Yeah, that's Princess Auto light bar and light pods. Those are Alpinas. That's Evergear Princess Auto winch in there. It's only a 6,000. That's why I got the snatch block on there. This truck just hasn't really moved much since I broke it. I broke an axle on it, actually. That wasn't a lot of fun. But this winch did indeed, I mean, it's only a 6,000, so it's pretty limited on space. I did notch out the cross member a bit, but I fixed that up with the 3/8 plate coming across the front here. I might go over that a bit more in another video, but this winch has indeed held up. What didn't, though, was the frame. So one day, maybe this weekend, who knows, maybe next week, this bumper will be getting the boot out of here, and we'll be doing some minor frame repair. I've got a steel plate to go all the way through here. So I'll just back it up again here. I mean, it is a pretty sick looking bumper. I'm not sure if I'm going to add any more triangulation right there, because that's a pretty hard piece to fit in. And I don't know yet, unless I'm going to do another one like here, and then down into there. I should do some more frame. I should support this better coming back into the frame here. Can't even see my finger. Coming back to here on both sides. Just that when it whacks something, it don't whack it as hard. And it won't. Because I mean, this is pretty thin tubing. But leave that. No, I closed that. I capped that off. Yeah, this is pretty thin tubing. I got some boogers and didn't grind off up there, but the bumper is currently misaligned because of the broken frame. But that's a fix it later job. I'll do a video on that. Monster there. I built that rack for in the back. You'll see that. That's not even on Instagram yet. You know, most of that you'll see over on my Snapchat. Travis. I don't know. I'll put it in the video. Yeah. But yeah, a lot of my stuff I just post straight to Snapchat because it's so much easier and faster than standing here with my phone recording a video. But yeah. So that was my first test run with the Royal carpet cleaner. There we go. The Royal Pro Series Ultra Spin Deep Clean, and the deep clean it does indeed give. I mean, I just got to keep pounding away at this. I've went over this probably 10-15 times, and it's still dirty. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video isn't too long, but hopefully I'll be able to trim it down a little bit. Yeah, like I said, follow me, Instagram, no Facebook yet. Snapchat, I'll stick in the video here somewhere, maybe in the description if I remember. But